Hello, everybody. I'm joined here by Brent Geyer, CEO of Ironton Capital, and I am the Director of Investor Relations with Ironton Capital. Brent, thank you for joining me today.
Thanks, Nick. Happy to be here.
Glad you're here. So, I know you're excited to answer this question. As the CEO, I'd love to hear your direction for Ironton Capital. I'm sure a lot of our investors would like to hear it as well.
Ah, boy, what a loaded question. What's the direction for Ironton Capital? First of all, great question. I'll try to get this answer as concise as possible. We will continue to be a real estate focused company first and foremost. That's our background. That's what we know inside and out. There's plenty of good opportunities within the real estate market. And within the real estate market, we're still going to focus mainly on multifamily and some of the other areas that we know better than others. We'll probably stay away from retail and office for the time being. I know retail is doing real well right now, but we don't have a lot of knowledge base or specialty in that. And so when you go into that, for me, it comes more out of true investing and more into speculation because we just don't have the knowledge base for that. So we'll stick more with the multifamily. We will do a bit of industrial. We'll sprinkle maybe a little bit of office in there, probably not much. Mainly in probably the med office space where people still have to go in and use those facilities all the time would be the only one I'd be interested in there. But again, mainly in the multifamily markets. And again, within the multifamily markets, we can analyze, a lot of people get news nationally. And, for us, the news is really local. We do pay attention to some of the national trends, but we really look at the local trends. And then even within the local markets, what subset of, real estate is doing well within that local market and is likely poised to do well into the future. So without going into too many details, we will continue to do multifamily. I would imagine we will continue to be involved very much in the South and the Southeast because those markets have done very well for us. But we have expanded up into the Northeast with some great opportunities, down to the Southwest with some great opportunities. We will continue to be an opportunistic company as far as looking, we have key markets we have identified. We will continue to scour those markets for opportunities that present themselves. However, we will keep our ears open for anything that may pop out outside of that, those key markets that still have very good value for us and for our investors.
Awesome. I know I'm personally very excited for the direction. I know our investors are very excited for the direction, and yourself, Lon, Richard on the investment committee, you guys are always finding some really unique investment opportunities that our investors are interested in. So.
I absolutely love these uncertain times, mainly because there's just less competition. As soon as things become very certain, everyone will come out of the woodwork, and there will be more competition. And with more competition, they just bid the returns down. I was an active investor in 2019. I remember exactly what it looked like before COVID hit. And I remember exactly how hard it was to place money at a return that I wanted to place it at because there was so much competition, people were bidding me down.
Yep, exactly. Well, I appreciate all your insight. Thank you for such a great answer to that question. Brent Geyer, CEO of Ironton Capital, Nick with Ironton Capital, helping you all invest passively.